Hey everybody, I decided to do a new backend admin manager video because it didn't show too much of the features that we had, and so I'm just gonna kind of go into detail on some of the other features the admin program has. One of the first things is that you have an account monitor. You can basically look at everybody's total P&L, the shares, how many shares they've traded, and the available BP they have, and the current open positions. It's helpful so that you can monitor your your students in general. If somebody's losing a ton of money, like this guy, you probably want to say, hey, how come you allowed this position to go this negative? You should have had a stop loss, or you should have got out certain certain levels or whatever. So this gives you kind of a bird's eye view of what everybody's doing, if they're following what your strategy is, and if they're really doing, if they're really following the strategy. Um, at the same time, you have a level two. I mean, it's not so important on a similar level simulator type of environment, but it does help. I mean, if one of your students is doing something like just shorting something ridiculously, and he should have been long on the stock, and you want to kind of teach him a lesson, just say, hey, you should have just followed my directions, because you didn't, I'm going to punch you out of the trade, flatten you out, close you for the day. So you could do that. You can punch him out of the trade using the level 2, and sometimes it's nice because some people want to, I don't know, I guess have some guidance, or just you want to be able to see what other traders are seeing while you're showing them your strategy. So, you could see the level 2, they can see the same level 2, and you guys can kind of basically trade alongside each other. Then there's a pending order window here. You can cancel pending orders. A window will pop up if you want to cancel pending orders for traders. For example, if you're teaching somebody one-to-one, you're telling them to short Apple, he want goes ahead and longs, you want to cancel it, you can. Um, it's up to you. There's also a open positions window right over here, and it's the same thing, but these are live positions. So like, if a guy's having trouble exiting a position, you can basically close it for him like this. Um, but you just have that functionality. Same thing as you can just pop up certain things and whatever. So that's useful for stock mentors, chat room admins. You want to be able to see what people are trading, what active positions they have, how many shares, and blah blah blah. There's just a lot of information and views that you can have on all your students. You can also you can reset the the, I guess, the statistics that an account has. Let's say there's a guy that you brought in, he started to trade, he just kind of made some mistakes, and now all of a sudden in the simulator account he's down tons of money, and he says, oh, please, can I start over? You can always just reset the demo and or demo reports, and that would allow you to kind of basically go back to his default or his starting position, whatever you gave him at the beginning, at $10,000 in simulated equity, $1 million in simulated buying power, and stuff like that. So you can reset those in case somebody just kind of just went trigger happy on a day, and you just want to start all over. It's like a reset button, so to speak. And then there's broadcast message. This is for, if you want to tell everybody, there's a buy signal for right now, sell signal for right now, emergency sell, or stock market just tanked, 500 points, stock market's ripping 300 points, whatever it may be. You can send it to individual traders. You can send it to, there's a function for a group message as well. So that's good to know that you have it there. Then you can see, I guess, an individual's trade status. You'll see his today's executions, or his closed trades for the day. This has a couple of environments in there, a couple of clients that we have, but just for the sake of uh, example, you can basically see certain people's like executions for the day and so forth. Okay, that ends the demonstration for today. If there's any questions, please email us. Thanks. Bye.